Okay, of course, we would like to thank
Siyempre, ang Pinoy Idol finalists. Maraming salamat sa kanila. Thank you.
Thank you kay Kyla.
Kyla, thank you.
Thank you din, sis, for guesting me again. Ayan.
Thank you, Chris.
Chris, thank you.
Of course, we'd like to thank Ma'am Wilma, Miss Annette, of course, Miss Reggie Magno, Eric Pineda.
Yes, maraming salamat.
And of course, the whole Pacquiao team.
Sa Team Pacquiao, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Solar Sports, DNR Secretary Lito Atienza, Mr. Ali Atienza, Mr. Chavit Singson, the entire Team Pacquiao, and we'd also like to thank Mr. Reggie Magno.
Yeah, na meron magandang bag. Diba?
Mga kapuso sa Virginia, huwag palagpasin na makita at makasama si Marvin Agustin ng gaano kadalasang minsan. Katrina Halili ng Magdusa Ka and Francis Magalona ng Itbulaga sa RPUS Friendship Day Fiesta 2008. Red Wing Park, Virginia Beach sa July 5. Bukas na yan.
Sa Kids at Work, maraming salamat. Thank you.
And of course, Manny,
maraming
salamat. At nais ko rin pasalamatan po ang lahat ng mga nasa Malacanang yung gumawa ng ano ba yun, yung cake ko kanina. Binabati ko kayong lahat. Yung chocolate cake na
ginawa talaga for you.
Wow. Ginawa sa akin na may belt, may 8 hours.
Sana dinala mo.
Binabati ko kayo.
Para natikman natin.
Nais kong pasalamatan ang mahal na Pangulo, First Gentleman. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta. At nais kong batiin ang lahat ng taga Jinsan, Sarangani Province, taga Malungon, pare Bong Constantino. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At lahat ng mga pamilya ko, mahal sa buhay diyan sa Jinsan. Binabati ko. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga kapuso, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Jinky. At kay Princess, maraming salamat. Princess, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Once again, Manny, congratulations.
We would like to thank our live studio audience from ICCT colleges. Ayan sila.
And to everybody, happy weekend.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you, bye. Thank you, Kids at Work.
It's official. Look out, it's Manny Pacquiao. Focus ready to knock that ass out. The backman punch is like an explosion. Once you hear it coming, you know you're going. Don't think about winning, it's an illusion. You're dizzy, weak, feeling confused now. You're lying on your back, facing the ceiling. The backman punch is what you're feeling. Think it move, right hook crunch.